Alright, y'all, round two. But I'm doing 2 videos because I gotta milk it. No. But, alright, so this is the second fact sheet on the emus. I'm gonna do 3 in total. Oh my god, you crazy birds. Stop. Rico, why are you acting like that? So, I'm gonna do 3 in total. This is the second one. I'm probably drop the third one tomorrow. Oh, Rico, stop it. Stop it, Rico. Stop it, Rico. I have to be careful with Rico, because if I piss him off, he could just jump up and kick me. I know Stanley would never do that, but I don't know the direction this bird's brain is going in right now. And sometimes his pupils get dilated, which means he's mad, I'm pretty sure, or finna go crazy.
Really?
I'm not sure, but like, that's weird, right?
Yeah,
and then they start running.
They
so.
should do, they do that a lot.
Yeah. And Stanley, usually his stuff stays the same. But, alrighty, man. Second video, let's get into it. The first fact I got is, it's really hard to find a vet that will care for emu. Either due to lack of knowledge or because they're dangerous. I'm not going to put quotes on the dangerous, because these things will, like, really hurt you. But I don't think they're that dangerous to where, if that's your profession, you can't work with them. I'm not a vet, so, you know.
Yeah.
But that's why there's a lot of people online that try to help each other out. We'll wait for this to pass. That's why there's a lot of emu keepers online that help each other out and try to work through stuff and ask around, see what you can do at home, because vets aren't always the most reliable. And yeah, that's why I recommend you learn a lot of stuff yourself. What's up, dude? Ooh, you getting some blue on your head. Why are you trying to attack me right up there? You're cool, man. You letting me rub you? You like it. Don't go away from me. Alrighty. We call them dinosaurs. Like, most modern people call emus dinosaurs just because of how they look, how cool they are, the claws, and they're tameable. Everybody always wishes they could tame a dinosaur. So, pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Next fact, emu can kick really violently. Violently forward. So, like this, and kick their claws at you. And that would
fight each other too, right?
Yep. That would really, really hurt. We had little Stanky Leg when we was trying to wrap his legs up, and he cut both our hands. I remember that, so I'm
He was little.
Yeah,
Small.
like a few weeks old. So a big emu. What you doing here, man? You trying to eat? Why are you trying to eat it? Oh! Ouch, Stanley. Emu are pretty good distance runners. We know they can run fast, but they also will destroy you on the length too. That's why it's like, don't let your bird get out, because you won't be as lucky as Stanley comes when he's called. These guys will literally, when they see us, they run sometimes. So
yeah.
That would not be good at all. Hey man, what you doing? What's up? You're huge.
We need to like dump their water everywhere.
Yeah. Ouch, Stanley.
There's fucking gnats everywhere.
You gonna do a story time about the donkey after this?
Yeah.
Oh, emu farms are becoming much more popular. Emu are becoming more popular, obviously, so farming them would too. But emu farms don't just breed emus. They produce Emu farms produce skin, meat, eggs, chicks, and oil. So if you want to
oil,
yeah, emu oil. That's the most popular one.
How the hell they get oil?
That's a good question. I don't even know. People be using it though.
For what?
Oh, you stepping on
Cooking?
me, brother. I don't know. We gotta look it up. Probably.
Never.
They probably. Ow! Yo, these pecks hurt. And Stanley's an aggressive pecker. These guys peck more nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Stanley.
Hey, don't eat that. No. Give me your face. Give me your face. Give me your face. Got it. no, you gotta know.
Be nice.
What's wrong with you?
Good job, Schmidt. Look at Schmidt just minding his business, eating his food. I love you attacking it.
I want to try emu meat actually because people already farm it. We're not gonna eat our own emu,
I
but
know.
since people already have farmed it and selling it, we might as well support the farmer. And they say it's better than steak, y'all. Steak. Come on now. I'm gonna put some pictures of what emu looks.
Who is saying it's better than steak?
It was one black dude, babe. He cooked it himself. He said it was good.
I want to see.
I'll show you.
That just don't even.
We're gonna order it. I'm gonna put it on the grill and tell her it's steak.
Sound right. Chickens look more appetizing than these.
These things, chickens don't even look appetizing.
Yes, they do. They look more like a
You're
chicken.
fat as hell if you think a live chicken looks appetizing. Hell no. Comment down below. Do live chickens look appetizing? No. Do live turkeys look more appetizing than emu?
Yes.
Fat as hell.
The emu? Then an emu.
I don't think none of these animals look appetizing until you cut that shit open and damn. Even that snapping turtle meat was looking good when I cut it open.
Ew. But chicken looks more like raw chicken. You give me?
No, it don't.
Yes.
Oh, why are you trying to bite me?
So yo, if we
I get you like the wing and the leg.
They wouldn't look exactly the same.
Yeah, it would.
Right. So.
Nah. Oh man, y'all, this girl's hilarious. Emu are the only birds with calf muscle. What you looking at?
I'm still stuck on you want to eat emu.
That shit sound good. Look
These
good.
fucking bugs, man.
I don't even see no bugs.
So you saying I'm tripping?
Yeah, you tripping. Nah, it is a lot of bugs over here. I'm just immune to the bullshit. Males not only sit on the eggs like we said in the last video, but they also raise the chicks. And the cool thing about what they do with the chicks, they tap their toe where they're trying to show them where the food is and stuff like that. So that's what we did with Stanley. Like, if we had food, we would tap our hand and be like, Stanley. And that's how he would know to eat out of our hand and know that his name is Stanley. Ouch, you are a smart one. Yo, if he doesn't like me pushing his neck, he reaches over and pinches me. You want to go for an emu run? Dude. Calm down, Rico. Shmiko. He's going to see where his brother went. Go see where your brothers went, bro. They're running, bro.
How you gonna make them brothers? They barely go each other.
Go see where this random nigga in your enclosure went.
Right. Go see where your homies is.
Oh man, stop it, dude. Emus can be very tame, as you can see, and love their owners. Stanley does love me. Watch this. Sit down. Good boy. I taught him that. I can rub him. I can hold his head.
You taught him what?
To sit down when I push him down. Look at this. Look at this bird.
Ow.
God, I'm sorry, babe. Are you okay?
What are we gonna eat?
Babe, can we finish the video? Damn, we can eat steak and shrimp.
Steak and shrimp.
Look at this, guys.
Just steak and shrimp?
No, I make some rice or macaroni or something. Asparagus, some spinach. Look at this, y'all. This is my bird right here. This is my dog. Like, oh no, you shitter. This is my boy though. I've raised Stanley since a itty bitty chick.
Schmidt.
He was fighting a turkey and he won, but he still got more fucked up than a turkey.
He didn't win.
He did win. Don't discredit my boy.
The turkey had no damage.
Yeah, the turkey beat the shit out of Stanley. It's okay though. He's a stud. Look at this. This is how niggas be holding a pit bull. Look at this. This is my boy right here. Like, Stanley, oh man, he's gonna live up to 30 years old just for me. Like, that's the oldest emu I've seen on this Facebook group. But anyways, I love Stanley, and he is an awesome man. And oh my God, guys, this is my favorite bird on the property. He doesn't even know it because he's a shithead to me. He bites me all the time.
That's how he showed he cares.
No.
If he never came around us.
Don't walk away from me, boy. I'm not done.
Let him go.
And I'm not holding him. I'm just rubbing him.
He's holding him hostage. If you need help, look.
He's getting his footing.
You pushing his.
I'm not even pushing him. She's accusing me of shit. This is why this relationship don't work. Okay, I think we got one more fact. Yes, Stanley, defend your dad. Oh yeah, emus love to swim Oh, no. Before that, how like Stanley loves me. Stanley could dang near kill me if he ever jumped up and cut like one of my abs or something like that.
You got abs?
Yeah, I got abs, baby.
Barely.
But yeah, especially as a grown-up emu, like even now Stanley could hurt me, but when he gets bigger, these guys can really, really injure you. And even though they're tame, you do have to really be careful and know what you're doing. Because shit don't be sweet. Like with none of these animals, for real.
Yeah.
Think about it. Yeah.
We almost got killed by a donkey.
Oh my God, y'all. We almost got killed by a donkey today. Last fact, emus love to be hosed down. Like,
They love water.
love water, man.
They sit in the rain.
Sit in the rain like some crazy people. This nigga is pinching my back rolls.
How you got abs but you got back rows?
I don't got no back rolls. I was just kidding. I got you, boy. What you gonna do? I'm holding Rico hostage, y'all. Babe, grab the notebook. Grab the notebook. Oh, he's gonna kick. He's gonna break. He's gone. All right, YouTube. That was 2 videos for y'all. Let your kids watch this shit just because I said so. I'm Big Dog. And, man, we got a lot of shit going on. We got the emus out here kicking. We got Winston.